Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change date format in Google Forms. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google Forms and then tap on Sign In button at the top. Once you've done this, then this type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have Google button at the right side of the screen. Tap on it and then here you need to scroll down. Once you scroll down, then here you have the option of Forms. Tap on it. Then here you have blank form. Click on it. After clicking on it, this type of page will appear on your screen. Then on the right side of the screen, there are option button in vertical line. At the top, you have the add question option in plus button. Click on it. After clicking on it, this will pop up on your screen. Then here at the front of question box, you have the box of multiple choice. Tap on it. Then this type of list will appear on your screen. Here you need to tap on date. Then here on the right side of the screen in the corner, you have your Google profile. Tap on it. Then this will pop up. Here you need to click on manage your Google account. After doing these steps, then here you need to tap on search bar and here search for language. Then here the language will appear. Tap on it. This type of page will appear on your screen. Here you have the edit button in preferred language. Tap on it and change the language by your own choice. So here I search for English and then click on it. After doing this, then again go back to search bar and search for input. This will appear. Here you need to tap on input tools. Then here you need to tap on keyboard layout, the first option in English box. So that's how you can change date format in Google Forms. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.